This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to search for wireless networks on your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to go and connect to a new Wi-Fi connection, this is easy to do. So let's go on to the home screen here and go to System Settings and select this. Then go on down to Internet. Then we want to go to Internet Settings on the top. And as soon as you select this, it's going to say searching for networks. And this should populate the top here with networks that you are registered to already. So I already connected to this one. We want to go on down to where it says networks found. And we should be able to see the ones that we can connect to. Now if you press the Y button on the remote, we should be able to go ahead and just search again. So let's search again and refresh this list. And this is probably what you need to do to find your wireless network. Just refresh it and then scroll on down and you can see all the different Wi-Fi signals under here. Otherwise, you do have the option to go to manual setup. Just type in the network name, the SSID. Maybe you have this listed on your router already. Security, you might have to switch this over to one of these. Maybe like WPA2 PSK. Then enter in the password. Then you can select IP address and your DNS settings under here as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.